I love to cook, but sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to cook. Like basically I cook for my family every day and most of the time I love it, but sometimes I just don't feel like doing it. And I am on that kind of level. I think that I want to make something that's really, really easy. So today I'm going to make an Italian dish that takes 20 minutes and it's called pasta with sun-dried tomatoes, ricotta, pine nuts, and zucchini. First, a little lesson on how to make your pasta not only the tastiest, but also the healthiest. Start with a lot of water. I'm using 8 cups for 6 ounces of pasta here. Add a good amount of salt to the pasta water. It makes the pasta taste better and adds flavor all the way through. Don't worry about the extra sodium, only about 1/4 of the salt is absorbed into the pasta. Plus, we will salt to taste later. I'm heading to my garden to get some zucchini. Whenever you can, be like the people in the Mediterranean and eat as local and as organic as possible. Where I live, they say to keep your car doors locked at night so your friends and neighbors don't fill it up with zucchini. Even though our zucchini is organic, I always wash it just in case a bird pooped on it. Chop up a clove of garlic and let it sit for as long as possible so it keeps its super healthy properties when cooked. Slice the zucchini into thin rounds. The thinner you make them, the quicker they will cook and the sooner you will be eating your traditional Italian meal. They will cook even quicker if you cut the rounds in half like this. Heat 2 tablespoons of the best extra virgin olive oil you can find on a medium heat and then saute the garlic for about 1 minute. Regardless of what you might hear on the internet, studies show that olive oil is the best oil to cook with as it retains its healthy qualities at a high heat. Add the zucchini to the sizzling pan and turn to a medium-high heat. Sprinkle on a dash of salt and a dash of pepper. You can always add more later, but a small amount brings out the flavor of the zucchini. You can save a lot of time here if you can successfully do 2 things at once. While the zucchini is sautéing, I roast the pine nuts in another pan. Don't get sidetracked though, because the pine nuts are probably the most expensive part of this recipe, and you don't want to double the cost of this elegant dish by burning your nuts. If you have the fortitude to do so, do 3 things at once. Slice the sun-dried tomatoes into thin strips while the zucchini and pine nuts are on the fire. Congratulations, you are now officially a juggler. Keep tossing the nuts as they cook, and don't forget to turn the pine nuts off before they all brown or some of them will burn. Turn them off when about 1/3 of the nuts have browned. They will continue to cook in the pan even when the flame is off. Next, add 8 ounces of pasta to the boiling salted water. If you have a 1-pound bag of pasta, it will be half of the bag. Give the pasta a quick stir and then cook according to directions, which means al dente. Al dente pasta is firm when bitten and is the way it is eaten in Italy. It's also better for you as it has a lower glycemic index than mushy pasta. Al dente pasta has a lower glycemic index than even bread or oatmeal. It might also be one of the reasons that a recent study showed that Italians who ate pasta were able to lose weight quicker than those who didn't. Add the sun-dried tomatoes to the pasta, cook for a few minutes, and then turn off the heat. Give the pine nuts one last flip of the pan. Now, add half a cup of fresh ricotta to a large bowl and give it a nice shower of freshly ground black pepper. Here is a tip I learned from an old Italian grandmother. Take a small ladle of the starchy pasta water and slowly add it to the ricotta until you get a nice creamy sauce. Start small. It's a lot easier to add more water than to take it away. Okay, your pasta is almost ready. The pine nuts are roasted and the zucchini is caramelized and ready for action. Now let's put it all together. Drum roll, please. And there you have it, a delicious Mediterranean meal in 20 minutes, and it's very easy to make, and it's perfect for a lazy day like today. This is just one of many recipes that are on our website, mediterraneanliving.com, and if you enjoy this video, please make a comment, hit subscribe, and hit the notification button. And remember to love with abandon live with purpose, and eat with passion.